Housing costs have increased at a much higher rate than household incomes, and the City of Annapolis is outpacing most comparable cities in terms of housing costs. It's Friday, February 9th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is your weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. County Executive Stuart Pittman has been holding roundtable discussions with major stakeholders to find ways to ease the issue in the county, and the mayor's office already has been trying to bring workforce housing to the forefront. Lack of affordable housing hurts the city because it drives consumers away, prevents growth, and causes economic downfall. When retailers and service companies cannot attract workers because the cost to live near jobs is unrealistic, no one wins. Meanwhile, the cost to rent in the area continues to rise despite several new construction rental dwellings that were approved and anticipated to solve both the housing shortage and affordability issues. Unfortunately, those developments are leasing for amounts that most city residents and the workforce would be paying almost half of their gross income in rent. And if you've been following me for any time at all, you already know that both resale and new construction in the Annapolis area is outside the reach of most buyers. Add in the inventory shortage and it gets worse. So inventory in all of Annapolis zip codes fell to 112 for sale. Only 10 homes are coming soon. 20 homes hit the market over the past week. 15 went under contract, which is up 16%. 8 moved to pending, falling this week. 19 homes sold at 100% list to sold ratio and selling in 12 days. The highest price home to sell was in Epping Forest for $2,550,000. Rentals in Annapolis are at $45 for $2,995 per month. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, February 9th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe, and I'll see you next week. Take care.